This video is sponsored by LONSDALE Leather. They've provided me with a $50 gift certificate to give away to one lucky subscriber, so keep watching to see how you can win.
Hey folks, this is my second video in a series on tools. This is what I think you'll need to start working with leather more.
Before we get started, I'd like to remind everyone that there are links to almost all of these tools in the description of this video, and I do this for all of my videos. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you enjoy it, or if you feel like offering some extra support, you can head on over to my Patreon page. Everything helps. It took me quite a while to pick up a proper cutting board, so I've got a large work table cutting board, but now I've got a thick one for my bench. I had a lot of thin ones before, and they always bent and warped, so get yourself a thick one when you can. An electric pencil sharpener, super handy. Now, as you noticed in my first video, I didn't have a rotary punch. Everybody probably thought I should have a rotary punch. Well, it's because you shouldn't buy a cheap rotary punch. Buy yourself a good rotary punch, spend the extra money. A poundo board is great for deadening noise, especially if you're in an apartment, so you can put your cutting board on top of that. I didn't get a dead blow hammer for a long time because I'm a strong guy, but it's great if you're not very strong. It really helps with punching your holes. It works amazingly well. Highly recommend getting one. Get yourself a good pair of leather shears. They go through pretty thick leather. Keep them sharp, keep them well maintained, and everything will be great. Side cutters for prying apart mistakes, like two pieces of leather that you've riveted together that you want to take apart. And for cutting the posts on your copper rivets and brass rivets. If you're using copper and brass rivets, you're also going to want to pick up the appropriate setter. And you may want to pick up a rapid rivet setter as well. This is a tool a lot of people thought should be in the first one, a burnisher and some wax. I didn't burnish edges for ages, so I got away with it. An oblong punch, which you can cheat with just two regular drive punch holes and a knife, but might be time to pick one up now. Get a smaller one, because you can always lengthen your oblong by hitting it with multiple punches. Maybe a 4-in-1 punch so you can help along your lacing, or some kind of lacing punch. I was debating on whether to put the torch in there, but I use it daily for melting paracord, burning thread ends. Pick up a wider range of bevelers for various thicknesses of leather, a stitch groover for your stitch lines, as well as just decorating edges. A V-gouge isn't going to be necessary for everybody, but I make a lot of books, and its ability to groove out some leather so you can fold your leather more easily is incredibly useful. Now you may want to pick up some snaps and a snap setter, and definitely it's time to get a strap cutter. So it can cut up to 4 inches, I believe. Really handy. A few more rulers would be nice, especially one to cut a straight edge on your hide so you can use your strap cutter to get a nice straight strap. Finally, this one isn't really necessary, but if you want to work on your artwork some more and do some leather carving, bigger sketchbook is always useful. Alright, it's time for the giveaway. Here's what I need you to do. First, hit that like button and be sure you're subscribed to this channel, and then leave a comment down below. I'll pick a name at random, and they will win a $50 gift certificate. Now, it's Canadian, but it's still $50 up here. I'll be doing another subscriber giveaway next month, as well as a Patreon giveaway to all my Tier 2 patrons that have been with me for a minimum of 1 month. I think I have 3 of them, so they're loving those odds. Thanks for watching, everyone, and be sure to mention what tools you think I'm missing and what you'd take out. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.